Okie dokie. So, this is a speed painting that I did when I was younger, and I thought that I would basically rate it 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 10, depending on how long the video is, really. So this is a mystery to me. I have no clue what this is. I just randomly clicked on it from the YouTube listings that I had. So all I could see was the thumbnail, and it didn't really reveal much, which means that I need to create a new thumbnail, because if I don't know what it is, how would you guys know what it is? Alrighty, so let's go ahead with this and see what we've got right here. Man and a woman. Oh wow, this is like really old. I don't know whether I've got copyrighted music here or not. This is gonna be fun to find out. Oh wow. This is like really old, because like you can't even see any detail on there, and I'm painting. Loved that hat. I still have it somewhere. It's not as prim and not as pristine. Like at one point it did start to bubble, but I still have it. Weirdly. I think it's like a throwback, like reminiscing. I might have to just like tone this down. I mean, like, YouTube sometimes, oh wow, the faces. YouTube sometimes, like, they're amazing, with music and stuff, but then sometimes you get people who make music for YouTube and then they kind of, like, drop, some of the stuff that they do, and then suddenly it's, like, copyrighted, where it wasn't prior, so, it's interesting. Okay. I feel like the proportions are like completely out on this piece. Are we looking at a hill or are we looking at distance? Because that, you can see like you've got some stairs at the back here, but they don't really link up to the walkway there. My boyfriend always said that this picture looks really scary. I can kind of see why with his eyes. My gosh, this is like super old. Like, this is 2015. This looks like 2015. At least. Do I rate it? I don't know. I do like it. I like the way that her face is. The way that he's drawn and stuff. But I think the background is what's really letting it down. I think at this point, yeah, like look at how young I was. Look at this mug. Look at this mug. This mug. This way. I was pretty young. Like, I still have the hair. The hair's still here, but like I was skinny. What is up with that? I was skinny. Do I rate this piece? I wish not. It's not in proportion. The background. Oh my goodness. Nothing's in proportion. Composition wise with framing and design, I don't rate it. As I said this too many times, I don't rate it. I like it because obviously it's my work and stuff like that. I would definitely say, like, as an artist, like, how dare I hate my own work kind of thing. But at the same time, I don't like it. Composition, no. We have this staircase kind of thing going on in the background, and the sidewalk kind of thins out at the bottom and it thickens out here. It should in theory go this way into the piece. I think at this point I was learning how to paint a little bit better, so yeah, there's no texture on the floor. I can understand why I kind of went into 3D art more than 2D art, because this is the stuff that I produce, or at least did 10 years ago. The buildings themselves, this window is huge compared to this window, which is really small in the background, and the doorway just doesn't seem to fit the angle to which it's placed. I don't really know what's going on in the background right here, apart from a load of buildings. This building right here, if this was a real building, it seems like it's double-story. That'd have no lighting at all. Then you've just got trees covering the horizon. The brick's okay, I guess, like the variation. It's good for the time. It's good for what I was learning at the time, but I wouldn't say would I produce something like this now? No, hell no. This would just be like practice pieces, just like to get into painting more than anything. I would never sell this as commission. Materials and textures and details, I think we went over that one. No. Just no. Performance and smoothness. No. Cinematic wow factor. No. Just no. This one I will rate as a 2 out of 5. It's good for the time, it's good for my skill set at the time, but I just don't think that it would be me right now. This is definitely not something that I would produce. No. This is just portfolio stuff of what I could do back then, and I think at this point I was about 15, 16 years old, so yeah, there is that as well. Yeah, I would say about a 2 to 3 out of 10, roughly. Yeah, so if you guys enjoy, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.